Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. We're gonna see the some of the major forex pair. This is the NZD versus US dollar guys. You can check out our previous week analysis video also guys. We have got almost jackpot only. You can go and check out there too guys. Okay guys, here you can see that exactly taken resistance this time also. If this will once again came and taking resistance, you can expect your first target. This will be the second target, third, fourth, and this is the final fifth target. Okay guys, these are the five target you have to see. Okay guys, this is the one of the key level guys. If this is the broken, this up till here only, this is the trend line, this is the broken area, then you can go up till here guys. Okay guys, after that if it will once again take support, then only go for your first target, second, third, and this will be the fourth target guys. These are the four target in upside momentum. Okay guys, this is the if this is broken trend line. Okay guys, this is the line. If this is the broken, then only go for upside momentum. Up till here only you have to book your whole profit. After that it will take support or made a price action. Go and check out my price action video also, I have uploaded guys. Okay guys, here also one of the trend line I am saying, so I will just draw it for you guys, so you can see here guys, like this something trend line is making. Okay guys, if once again came take here support, goes upside, so you can go upside momentum too guys. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex pair is euro versus JPY. Okay guys, Japanese yen, euro versus Japanese yen. You can see here guys, continuously taking support. Once again, if it will take support, okay guys, then you can expect your first target, second, third, fourth, even you can go for bigger target too guys. Okay guys, if you have to see that those thing also, I will check out the my video also guys. There I will post so many videos also. And also I have in telegram channel, I will give link in the description, so I will get some of the nicest trade, so I will update there to go and join to that guys. If this will consolidate broke, you can expect the huge upside momentum guys. Okay guys, you have to track down this thing. Okay guys, we can see for next forex pair is AUD versus CHF. Exactly, you can see that this is the one of the major jackpot. Exactly, I have told you this is the acting as a one of the trend line. If this is broken, you can see here broken our all target reach. After that exactly taken resistance, big momentum we have captured guys. So we have captured the very big momentum. Right now it is consolidating right now, so I am thinking that it maybe goes on consolidating. Let it be. If this is the key level guys, this is the key level, this is the broken, and then you can go for your first target, second target, third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. Okay guys, or it will goes on a consolidation only, you can check out that too guys. Okay guys, if this is the broken, it's low and retested it, you can go for your first target, second target, third target, and fourth target. I will also tell you in the telegram channel guys, some of the important key levels, so go and join my telegram channel also, link in the description guys. Okay guys, we can see next major forex is GBP versus Japanese yen. You can see here guys, continuously taking resistance. Here also came and taken resistance. So right now what we have to see is that if this is the broken and take somewhere here only support, this time it gonna definitely break our first target, our second target, our third target, even fifth, fourth target will be huge. Okay guys, you have to see these all key levels. Okay guys, if it will continuously here only taken resistance, then you can expect your first target, this will be the second target, third, fourth, and fifth target. These all are the downside targets guys. Okay guys, we can see next major forex. Okay guys, we have discussed all the major forex pairs, so hope you have got all the knowledge about it. If you like this video, go and subscribe my channel also, and share with your friends and families guys. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys.